How to integrate a pricing table with a payment form in WordPress using Easy Form Builder. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through connecting a pricing table with a payment form using the Easy Form Builder plugin. This guide will make it easy for anyone, even beginners, to create and integrate their forms. Install the Easy Form Builder plugin on your WordPress site and activate the Pro version to unlock payment features. Then, install and activate the Stripe payment add-on for payment processing. Go to the Easy Form Builder plugin, create a new payment form, and add the following elements: a payment single choose element for package options, a Stripe element for handling payments. In the payment single choose element settings, add two options representing your packages, such as Basic and Premium. Assign unique IDs to each package by clicking Show Attributes. For example, Basic Package ID, Basic, Premium Package ID, Premium. Enable the required option to ensure users select a package. Open the settings for the Stripe element, choose your preferred currency, and set the payment type, such as one-time or subscription-based payments. Once the form is ready, save it and copy the shortcode. Create a new page in WordPress, paste the shortcode into the content area, and publish the page. For this tutorial, let's assume the page URL is yourdomain.com/payment. To connect the pricing table with the payment form, use URL parameters that tell the form which package to select. iefb specifies the package ID, Basic or Premium. sefb ensures the package is pre-selected, 1 for selected. hefb locks the selection, preventing changes, 1 for locked. For example, link for the Basic package, yourdomain.com/payment, iefb equals Basic and sefb 1. Link for the Premium package, yourdomain.com/payment, iefb equals Premium and sefb equals 1. To lock the selection, yourdomain.com b equals Basic and sefb equals 1 and hefb equals 1. Update the pricing table on your site by linking each button to its corresponding URL. For the Basic package button, use yourdomain.com/payment, iefb basic and sefb 1. And for the Premium package button, use yourdomain.com/payment, iefb equals Premium and 1. With this setup, users clicking on a pricing table button will land on a pre-filled payment form. This ensures a seamless and user-friendly experience. Thank you for following along, and enjoy building your forms with Easy Form Builder.